I've been working on Ram trucks for over 4 decades, and there's one mistake I see Ram 1500 owners making over and over again. This single mistake costs them thousands of dollars in repairs that could have been completely avoided. And the worst part? Most owners don't even realize they're doing it until it's too late. If you own a Ram 1500, the next 4 minutes could save you more money than any other video you'll watch this year. The mistake is this: ignoring your rear differential fluid until something breaks. I know what you're thinking. That's basic maintenance. Everyone knows that. But here's what most Ram owners don't understand. The Ram 1500 rear differential is different from Ford and Chevy. It runs hotter, works harder, and needs attention sooner. A transmission shop owner showed me his records last month. Out of 50 Ram rear differential rebuilds in the past year, 47 of them could have been prevented with a simple $150 fluid change. That's a $3,000 repair prevented by a $150 service. But owners skip it because their manual says lifetime fluid, or they think 100,000 miles is soon enough. Here's the truth: if you tow regularly, haul heavy loads, or drive in hot climates, that differential fluid needs changing at 50,000 miles, not 100,000, not when it makes noise, at 50,000 miles. Let me explain why this happens specifically to Ram trucks. The Ram 1500 uses a limited slip differential in most models. That clutch pack inside generates more heat than an open differential. More heat means the fluid breaks down faster. It's simple physics. I spoke with a Mopar engineer who worked on the Ram drivetrain. He told me something fascinating. We spec lifetime fluid for legal reasons and optimal conditions. But optimal conditions means highway driving, no towing, moderate temperatures. That's not how most people use their trucks. Think about it. You bought a Ram to use it. You tow boats, haul trailers, pull equipment. Every time you do that, your differential is working overtime. And here's what happens when that fluid breaks down. The clutch pack starts slipping, metal particles accumulate, bearings wear prematurely. By the time you hear noise, the damage is already done. A mechanic friend told me, when a Ram comes in with differential noise, I already know it's a $2,500 to $3,500 job minimum. If they had changed the fluid at $50K, it would have been $150. Now, how do you know if you've already waited too long? Listen for these warning signs. First, whining noise that gets louder with speed, especially during acceleration. Second, vibration during turns. Third, clicking sounds when you're backing up. If you hear any of these, get it checked immediately. Not next week, not next month. Immediately. Every mile you drive is causing exponential damage. But here's the good news. If you catch it early, before metal damage starts, you can still save that differential with a fluid change and additive package. A fleet manager in Montana services 200 Ram trucks. He implemented mandatory 50,000-mile differential services 3 years ago. His differential failure rate dropped from 12% to less than 1%. That's real data from real-world use. The fluid change costs $150 to $200 depending on your area. Add $50 for the limited slip additive. That's $250 total to protect a $3,000 component. The math is obvious. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, check your owner's manual for your specific rear axle ratio. Most Ram 1500s use either 75W, 90 or 75W, 140 synthetic gear oil. Don't guess, use the right spec. Second, if you have limited slip, you must add the friction modifier. Without it, you'll get chatter and premature where even with fresh fluid. Third, while the differential is being serviced, have them inspect the pinion seal and axle seals. A $20 seal replacement now prevents a $500 mess later. Many owners ask me, can I do this myself? Yes, if you're comfortable with basic mechanical work. But if you've never done it, this is one service worth paying a professional for. Improper fill level causes as many problems as old fluid. And here's a pro tip. When you change your differential fluid, document it. Keep the receipt. When you sell that Ram years from now, having proof of this maintenance adds real value to your truck. So let's recap. Change your Ram 1500 rear differential fluid at 50,000 miles if you tow or haul. Don't wait for 100,000. Don't wait for noise. $200 now prevents $3,000 later. If you're past 50,000 miles and haven't done this yet, schedule it this week. Every day you wait increases your risk. This is the single most overlooked maintenance item on Ram trucks, and it's costing owners thousands in preventable repairs. If this video just saved you a few $1,000s, hit that like button and subscribe to my Ram's Garage. Next video, I'm revealing the Ram 1,500 years that will never die. The years that just keep running no matter what. Take care of your Ram, and it'll take care of you.